Good day to you, sir. This is my video presentation on my performance test. Traffic sign. Number 1, stop sign, classification, regulatory sign. So, ano is stop sign, meaning the driver come to a complete stop. So, ano yung paghunong ng driver. So, makita ng stop sign. So, number 2, no entry sign, classification, regulatory sign. So, ano is ginabawal gid gino siya pag-entry or pag-sud. Isa mo yung prohibited din siya. So, number 3, speed limit sign. Speed limit sign, classification, regulatory sign. Speed limit is may siya makabutang sa mga roadways na mga speed limit sign indicates the minimum speed allowed. So, number 4, no U-turn sign. Classification, regulatory sign. So, ano is dili ko basta-basta pag U-turn sa mga karsada or itong mga way na bawal silang U-turn kay prohibited. Number 5, pedestrian lane crossing sign. Classification, warning sign. So, ano is pedestrian lane o pag-cross ng mga tao or paghatag ng slow down and give away to pedestrian. So, curb ahead sign. Classification is a warning sign. A curb sign is a road on ahead. Yon mga likoon, mga sikuhon na mga agihan. O reduce speed and drive carefully. So, school zone, warning zone. Yan is school zone sign on school ahead areas. O pag slow down and pagtanaw sa mga bata na mulatas or muagi. So, number 8 is slippery road sign. Classification, warning sign. So, ano is mag-warning sign on slippery road sign if danlog ang karsada o avoid sudden braking. So, number 9, hospital sign, classification, guide sign. So, mani is nag-indicate na location ng hospital o para ma-alert sa pang driver na necessary horn use ang mga karsada. So, ang directional sign, ang pag-guide sign o provides ng ruta kung hain pa doon ang destination. So, follow the indicate direction na applicable sa way. So, traffic signals, red light, meaning to stop, and stop before the line. So, dili ka mohonong nato sa lapas ng intersection or line sa stop line. So, yellow light, meaning to prepare to stop, slow down, and stop if safe. So, number green light, meaning to go, and to proceed when the intersection is clear. So, mo proceed ko if ang intersection is clear na or wala na moagi na naka-green sign na, green light na. So, flashing red light, so meaning stop and proceed when safe. Treat like stop sign. So, flashing yellow light, meaning proceed with the caution. So, proper action, slow and be alert on the yellow sign. So, pavement markings, number 11, broken white lane. So, meaning separate lanes moving the same direction. So, pwede ka ng driver naka-lane, change lane, allowed pag safe ang linya. So, solid white lane, meaning discourage the lane changing. So, stay your lane unless there is necessary. So, double solid white lane, yellow lane, no passing in the either direction. Do not cross the lane. So, manay bawal ka mo overtake. So, stop lane indicates where a vehicle must stop. So, manay naka-indicate kadto ang driver na when siya mo prepare to stop before the stop the line, dili mula pa sa linya. So, manay pedestrian lane walk. So, area designated for this pedestrian to cross. So, manay is driver pag makita ng pedestrian lane which is maghinahinay or magtanaw na may mga mulabayay. So, yellow box meaning safe the intersection clear. So, manay dili ka mo stop sa inside the box unless your exit is clear. Then 16, directional arrow. So the directional arrow indicates the permitted direction of travel. So ano is follow the arrow to direction way kung hain kamo padung off or hay kamo singhud. So bicycle lane reserved for the bicycle. So ano is dili ka makapark or makadrive sa bicycle lane kay bicycle lane or para dagit sa mga bisikleta ani na mga lane. So summary, traffic sign, traffic lights and private markings help regulate traffic, ensure road safety and guide drivers understanding and obeying them, reduce accident and promotes orderly traffic flow. Thank you, sir. Amaretto.